Hey, I want to make a video, or I am making a video real quickly about that last practice problem in today's note sheet that we did not get to in either class. That's number 2, it's on the very back of the note sheet. So it says, in guinea pigs, the brown coat allele is dominant over red, and the solid color allele is dominant over spotted. So this is a dihybrid, so it's a 2-factor trait, because we're looking at coat color and looking at is it solid or spotted. So it says the F1 offspring of a cross between a true breeding brown solid colored guinea pig and red spotted pigs are crossed. What proportion of their offspring would be expected to be red and solid colored? So let's make a key first. I'm going to say capital B, like it gives me, is brown. And lowercase b is red. So brown is completely dominant over red. Capital S, which is not the best letter, is solid. And lowercase s, I'll make it cursive, is spotted. So here, we would want to figure out first the parents. So it says the parents were true breeding. Remember, that means pure. So true breeding brown would be capital B, and solid would be capital S, crossed with true breeding red. With red anyway is going to be homozygous recessive, along with spotted little s. So that was the parental generation. So they produce all of their offspring are F1s, and all of their offspring are going to be big B, big S, little s. Very similar to what we did in class with the yellow and round wrinkled green seeds. So all of those offspring are 100% brown, solid, but it's asking us what if those offspring reproduced and what would be the expected outcome of their F2 generation being red and solid. So we would cross 2 of these. Oops, erase that real quickly. There we go. Big B, big S, little s, crossed with another big B, big S, little s. And we would do our big 4x4 Punnett square. And what we're going to be looking for is this combination of red, which would be little b, and solid, which is going to be either big S, or little b, big S, little s. And I didn't leave myself that much room, but I can use this Punnett square up here. So this is what we're going to be looking for in our Punnett square. So I would have big B, big S, big B, little s, little b, big S, little, and same thing going down the side, although this is kind of hard to do with this pen. All right, and so we will be looking for either this combination of alleles or this combination of alleles. And so I know that none of this row is going to give me that because I can't get 2 little b's out of that first row. I cannot also get 2 little b's out of this second row. However, I can get 2 little b's here, little b, big S, little b, big S, little s. And I can't get any big B's here, but I can here. Little b, big S, little s. I can get 2 little b's here, but it's also going to give me 2 little s's. So that's not what I need. So I'm going to end up having these 3 as my answer. So it'd be 3 out of 16 for my proportion of that would be expected to be red and solid colored. So hopefully that helps you look at genotypes and phenotypes and how to set up a dihybrid and how to analyze a dihybrid.